A signal booster doesn't create signal out of nothing. It amplifies whatever weak signal is already reaching your property, which means the actual first step before buying any of these is checking whether you have any usable signal at all to boost in the first place. This is a real high-end, carrier-specific booster, noticeably stronger amplification than generic multi-carrier boosters achieve, because it's tuned specifically for one carrier's network rather than spreading performance across all of them. That specificity is the actual trade-off. You need to know your carrier before buying, and this won't help if you switch carriers later without buying a differently configured unit. Coverage area is real and substantial for noticeably weak rural signal specifically, among the strongest performers in this category. Build quality feels professional grade, and installation, while more involved than plug-and-play units, delivers real results for noticeably marginal signal areas. For anyone with confirmed weak but present signal from a specific carrier who wants the strongest possible boost, this is the top pick. This is WeBoost's larger full home system, and compared to the more compact cabin unit later on this list, the actual differentiator is real coverage area, actually designed for larger homes needing signal boosted across multiple rooms rather than one small space. Multi-carrier compatibility means it works regardless of which carrier you're on. Real flexibility, the carrier-specific Cell-Fi above doesn't offer. Installation is more involved. Professional installation is noticeably recommended for optimal placement, worth factoring into the total cost beyond the unit price itself. Build quality feels solid, matching WeBoost's established reputation in this category. For anyone with a larger rural home needing broad coverage across multiple rooms, this is the stronger WeBoost pick over the cabin below. SureCall brings real competitive multi-carrier performance here, real flexibility across carriers without the Cell-Fi's single carrier specificity above. Coverage area is solid for moderate-sized rural homes, real practical value for typical single-family properties. Build quality feels reliable, and installation is more accessible than the professional-grade Cell-Fi above, doable as a real DIY project for most homeowners. Signal amplification is strong, though not quite matching the Cell-Fi's carrier-specific peak performance above for noticeably marginal signal areas. For anyone who wants solid, real multi-carrier flexibility without professional installation requirements, this is a sensible, dependable pick. Compared to the Home Complete installed above, this is WeBoost's compact option. Real coverage designed specifically for smaller spaces, a cabin, small home, or single-room application rather than a full multi-room house. That smaller coverage footprint is a real honest trade-off for real simplicity, and a noticeably easier installation process than the full Home Complete system above. Multi-carrier compatibility carries over from WeBoost's broader lineup. Build quality feels solid for the size and price point. For anyone with an actually smaller rural property, a cabin, cottage, or single dwelling, who doesn't need the larger system's full home coverage, this is the more practical WeBoost pick over the Home Complete above. Worth being clear up front, this is a vehicle-specific booster, an entirely different category from the 4 stationary home and cabin units above, built for maintaining signal while actually driving through rural areas with spotty coverage, rather than boosting signal at a fixed property. If your actual need is reliable signal in your truck or vehicle during rural commutes or travel, this solves that specific problem the stationary units above can't. Signal amplification is real and solid for vehicle use specifically, and installation is designed around a vehicle's power system and antenna mounting rather than a home's structure. Build quality feels durable, built to handle vehicle vibration and temperature swings. For anyone whose rural signal problem is specifically while driving, not at home, this is the only option on this list built for that. All 5 links and current pricing are below. Remember, a booster amplifies existing signal, it doesn't create signal from nothing, so verify you actually have some usable signal reaching your property or vehicle before buying any of these. If you've used one of these regularly in a remote rural area, tell us honestly how much of an actual difference it made.